Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to file for divorce in Indiana. Begin by confirming residency and choosing the correct county clerk's office for filing. Gather identification, marriage certificate, and financial records before filling out the petition for dissolution. Complete any county-specific forms, calculate filing fees, and prepare a service plan. Stay organized by making copies and tracking deadlines to avoid delays in your case. When urgent matters arise, ask the court for temporary orders to address custody, support, and safety. File motions with clear facts, proposed arrangements, and supporting documents like pay stubs and housing details. Present a practical parenting plan that covers custody, visitation schedules, and decision-making authority, emphasizing the child's best interest. Attend the temporary hearing, prepared to explain immediate needs, and bring witnesses or evidence to support your requests. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more straightforward guides. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings your space to life and helps manage schedules, reminders, and timers while you handle paperwork. It's a handy companion during stressful tasks and saves a few minutes each day. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Most cases settle through negotiation or mediation, which saves time and money compared to trial. Share full financial disclosures and realistic proposals for property division, custody, and support to facilitate agreement. If mediation fails, work with counsel to build a trial-ready file including exhibits, witness statements, and legal points. Practice presenting your case calmly and focus on clear facts that support your requested orders before the judge.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.